the progress so far with the PC build. Got the ASRock B450M motherboard with the 2 16 gigabyte Corsair LPX RAMs. I believe it's like the DDR4 3200 megahertz. Then I got the Samsung 970 Pro. And I got the 860 Evo. And then, of course, the 2070 Super on a bits powered low 10 water block. But I'm gonna mount that last. Don't forget the Ryzen 7 2700X. Got the fan right here, but that's just all scrap. I'm gonna put it on water block too. Just gotta wait for that to come in. It's coming in with the radiator that's gonna be mounted right there. And the pump and stuff like that. I've got the hard tubing in, but there's no sense in doing that if I don't have anything else. School's come along, so it's kind of put a pause on everything. But that's where I'm at.